Hello, my name is Angela Marks, and I will be presenting my persuasive speech for Mr. Alatoree's public speaking class at Southern Crescent Technical College. I will be discussing safe sex. Sex is an intimate bond for many people. However, it is best when you're old enough, experienced, can take responsibility for your actions, and deal with the consequences it may cause. There are several methods of prevention. Abstinence is by far the best form of prevention. Abstinence means not having sex at all. Another major step to prevention is using a condom. This means that sexual intercourse happens with a barrier in place to help protect against pregnancies and STDs. Birth control is contraceptive, meaning that it helps prevent unplanned pregnancies. However, it does not prevent STDs. If you plan to have sex, try using a condom along with birth control. This does help reduce the risk. Now let's go on to the consequences. I'm sure everyone knows the risk involved in having unprotected sex. For most people, the fear of unplanned pregnancy weighs heavy. They may already be struggling with life on a financial level, and not to mention the health risk involved if you have a long medical history. The biggest life change and devastation comes in play when you contract an STD. There are many diseases out there, from pelvic inflammatory disease, genital warts, gonorrhea, chlamydia, herpes, all the way to HIV. According to WebMD, gonorrhea is one of those viruses that have little to no symptoms, and if they do have a symptom, they are frequently shown in women. It could be something simple as painful or frequent urination, anal itching, pain, bleeding, or discharge, genital itching, painful sexual intercourse, sore throat, and pink eye. When it comes to men, there's usually something so severe that they have to seek medical attention. Problems such as abnormal discharge from the penis, usually clear or milky at first, and then yellow, creamy, and excessive. Painful or frequent urination, sore throat, and the pink eye, just the same as with women. According to the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, chlamydia can damage a woman's reproductive organs. Women who have had symptoms may have an abnormal vaginal discharge or a burning sensation when urinating. If the infection spreads from the cervix to the fallopian tube, they may not have any symptoms at all and may not feel it. Chlamydia infections of the cervix can spread to the rectum. Men with signs of symptoms may have a discharge from their penis or a burning sensation when urinating. Men may also have burning and itching around the opening of the penis. Men and women who have receptive anal intercourse may acquire chlamydia infection in the rectum, which can cause rectal pain, discharge, or bleeding. Chlamydia can also be found in the throats of women and men who have oral sex with an infected partner. The symptoms of HIV develop over several stages. According to the MayoClinic.com, when first infected with HIV, you may have no symptoms at all, although you still may be able to transmit the virus to other people. Many people develop a brief flu-like illness 2 to 4 weeks after becoming infected. Fevers, headaches, sore throats, rashes are common in the beginning. You may remain symptom-free for years, but as the virus continues to multiply and destroy your immune cells, you may develop mild infections or chronic symptoms like swollen lymph nodes. This often is one of the first things that happen, first signs of the HIV infection. Diarrhea, weight loss, fevers, cough, and shortness of breath. If you receive no treatment for HIV infections, the disease typically progresses to AIDS in about 10 years. By the time AIDS develops, your immune system has been severely damaged. You could contract diseases that wouldn't trouble a person with a healthy immune system. And this is when things become extremely worse, like soaking night sweats, shaking chills, or fevers higher than 100. Blurred or distorted vision, weight loss, and skin rashes or bumps. These are all life-altering events, and the worst of all is death. This is why safe sex is important, because we all want to live healthy lives, and we could all do it better if we just have safer sex. Thank you.